This started as geometry in a white void, and this is what it looked like this morning. Thousands of geometry. No light, no mood, no story. Just the shape and the question of what it could become. I've been building things in software for years, and it never gets less strange that moment something goes from nothing to this. An egg chair, rope, rattan, a teak crossbar, 2 cushions inside that haven't been sat in yet. On screen, just geometry, but I already know what it wants to feel like. I find the angle, low, centered. I don't dress it up. I don't add shadows. I hand it to the AI raw, unlit, honest, and let it do what only it can do. Export. 1 clean frame. Now, I give it to the machine. Figma Weave. This is where I stop modeling and start writing. I don't write a description. I write a feeling. Warm, honey-toned rattan, late afternoon light from the upper left, dust particles drifting through the shaft, a seat cushion creased the way cushions get only after years of use. The chair is empty. Someone just stepped away. That line does more than any technical specification, because this was never about the chair. It's about the person who isn't in it. I connect the model, hit generate, and then the part I still haven't gotten used to. I let go. You know that feeling when you describe something to someone and they understand it better than you did? That. I push further, the rattan catching light at each knot, the crease in linen where a body would eventually rest, dust held still in warm afternoon light, the kind of stillness you can almost hear. Then the wide shots, the room around it, because what makes a space feel real isn't the object, it's the silence the object sits inside of. ChatGPT image editing, pulling back the color, making the shadows warm instead of cold. The way old photographs look when they're just right. Not perfect. Better than perfect. True. Nano Banana. Dawn. Overcast. The last hour of gold before dark. Same chair, different stories. And now, the part I can't fully explain. Seedance. I give it the images and ask it to make time move inside the frame. This morning, thousands of geometry in a white void. Now, a room, a moment, a place someone is about to walk back into. Watch the dust. Watch the fabric. Watch a hanging chair that was nothing but a sketch become a place someone just stepped away from. Back in the prompt I wrote, the chair is empty. Someone just stepped away. I didn't know I was writing the beginning of a story. Most people have a gap between what they can imagine and what they can make. They live in that gap for years. These tools don't close that gap. They collapse it. This chair doesn't exist yet. No one has sat in it. No real sunlight has ever hit that rattan. But you just watched someone come home to it. That's the whole thing. That's all of it. That was one afternoon. One chair. One idea I woke up with this morning. I want to show you what I can do with everything I haven't tried yet. Comment, prompt. I'll send you everything I used to build this. Stay. I'll be here.